Welcome! Thank you for participating in the Mold Illness Questionnaire Research Initiative, hosted by Drs. Neil Nathan and Jill Krista, with funding from the Change the Air Foundation. We've created this online interface to make it easy for you to take part in this study. You'll be asked to complete a symptom questionnaire, submit digital copies of certain laboratory results, and answer questions about your living space. The survey will take about 5 minutes to complete. We recommend that you black out any personal identifying information such as your name, date of birth, and address. But please retain all information related to the lab results, such as the date collected, any normal ranges for any particular findings, and creatinine levels. You'll have the ability to save and continue your submission at any time and return at a later date with more information. You don't need to have your laboratory results in hand to get started, and in fact, the most important part of this is that we would like you to complete the symptom questionnaire on the day you collect your laboratory sample, so we can correlate your symptoms to the actual sample you sent in. Here are laboratory results that we're accepting for the study. All you need to do to get started is read the quick disclaimer below and press start. The first phase of the study is to validate the mold illness questionnaire. Because this study is IRB approved, we need you to sign a consent form. You can download a copy of the form. Please note that we're not accepting samples for anyone less than 18 years old. This is completely voluntary. There's no compensation for any laboratory tests that you submit. On the consent form, there are some required fields. Enter your name. You can e-sign the date and time and the email where you wish a copy of the consent form to be sent. Then press consent and continue. You'll note the progress bar at the top. Symptoms are categorized into 3 categories. Please mark any symptom that applies to your situation. Then hit next, or you can save and continue later. Please mark any category 2 symptoms that fit your situation. Then you can hit next to move to category 3. Or if you thought of a symptom as you were reading this list, you can go back and alter category 1. If you're too busy at the moment, you can save and continue later. Please mark the category 3 symptoms that fit your situation. Then you can click on next to get your score. But if you thought of something else you'd like to mention, you can go to the previous button or save and continue at a later time. On step 4, you will get your total mold risk results. You will get a total mold score and then how it fits in the scale. You'll see this score is 11, which means probable mold or biotoxin-related illness. So nice work, you've completed the first part of the study. Here's where you will pause and click Save and Continue later, and come back when you have digital copies of the lab results that you collected on this day when you filled out the symptom questionnaire. After you hit Save and Continue later, you'll see this screen that gives you a unique code that will be emailed to you to return. Simply enter your email address and click Send Link. After you follow the link in your email, you'll come to this page to complete the second part of the study. We have 4 simple questions we'd like you to answer, and then here's where you can upload your lab results. Simply drop your files here, and then click Next. You're almost done. These questions are optional, but the information contributes to the success of our mission to protect people from indoor mold and mycotoxin exposure. These questions are primarily about your living space. And here's where you can upload documents related to your building testing, and then click Next. And if you don't have your results back yet, you can save and continue later. And you're done! Please be sure to click the Submit button to complete the study. When you click Submit, an email with your study results will be sent as a downloadable and printable PDF that you can share with your medical team. Thank you for participating in the MoldIQ Research Initiative, and thanks to the Change the Air Foundation. We wouldn't be able to do this without you.